Man, I need a drink. Maybe after this play. Hey guys, this is Carrick with Crazy Gaming, and we are back playing some more Ratchet and Clank. In the last episode, we started on Blarg Station, and we got a section done with Clank, and we got a section done with Ratchet. And now, let's, in this last episode, in this episode, we are going to, be finishing the Blarg Station. Yeah. How you guys doing today? Alright.
Need a little help with these enemies? Try your counter.
Hell no. Yeah, the taunter is completely useless in my opinion. Oh damn. How about that? That's pretty nice and easy. Alright, what is in here? Let's see. I'll actually do this first. There we are. Look at this. Look at all this crap. This is where we're gonna get all of our ammo back. Yeah. So I already asked how you guys were doing. Yeah, there's nothing really new. I usually record multiple videos in one day. So, yeah, just the fact that nothing's really transpired since the last video. What's over there? Nothing? Alrighty, let's let that spray. Then we'll move on. Let these two spray. Or three spray. Move on. Grab our energy, and we gotta swing. Let's swing. I don't know many songs from my generation. New songs that come on the radio and stuff like that. I'm a big classic rock fan, but damn it. I'll meet you guys back there. I know which ones are which. Let's go back to the suck can. There we are. Another one breaks out. 2 shots, they're done. Yep, that was pretty easy. There we are. Man, it's fun. I run out of suck cannon ammo whenever all these guys show up. So, yep. Seems like I get more ammo as I run it. Hey, Gadgetron vendor. We don't need any ammo. Actually, the Glove of Doom would be very good here. Oh, so they don't want to go kill him? Alright. Here we are. Here we are. Another gold bolt. Nice and simple. And there's a little guy just running around. Yeah, just to see what all's in these cells. There's one. Another bolt. Alrighty. Let's head up to this second level and see what all this one has to offer. Just those 2 blocks, okay. Yeah, Glove of Doom. Let's get the suck can. Where you got it? Good. Just taking things nice and easy, nice and slowly. Ready? Glove of Doom. Yeah, I'm just gonna take it easy from now on, since I know how bad the checkpoints are. I think that's my only complaint on this game. Well, actually, let me tell you what I don't like about this game and what I love about this game. Love the story, I love the characters. Oh, we got a boss battle here. Let's see. Yeah, I love the characters, I love the story. I love the gameplay. That being said, I don't like the controls that much. Oh, good, more suck cannon. Your kids against you. Get some health, Good. Oh, shoot. Son of a bitch. Oh, okay. So it took it as me winning. Good. I'm cool with that. Yeah. was I saying? Oh yeah, things I love and hate about this game. Yeah, love the gameplay, love the story. I hate the controls. Well, actually, let me rephrase it. I don't hate the controls. I'm just not fond of them. I'm just not fond of how it plays and stuff like that. And I don't like the load times with the when it comes to like going from planet to planet. But that's something that they do not change.
Whew. Thought I was a goner this time. Some nano-wit in genetics must have left the cages open again.
You could come down now.
Honestly, a gadget engineer deserves a bit more respect, if you ask me.
So, you are an inventor.
Gadget engineer. I create revolutionary devices for Executive Chairman Drek. For instance, Viola. My soon-to-be patented grind boots. Look, I need to get out of here so I can find a new job. How about I sell you these? At cost.
Sell? After we just saved your scrawny butt?
All right. I'll give you the employee discount, too.
Wow, that must be a really good employee discount.
I'm gonna get out of here while I still can.
You've got the grind boots. Grind boots.
Yeah, we got the grind boots. Yeah, and that crinkling, that's my chair. I've got one of those spider chairs, so whenever I sit down on it, it just creaks like nobody's business. But yeah, so now that we got the grind boots, we can just grind on these. We can go sway back and forth. We can jump. When we have multiples, we can jump on the other grind rails. Yeah. Grind boots are a cool idea. Alrighty. And we are back. There we are. Home map is shaded in. And would you look at the time? It's that time again, guys. Time to end it off. So, on the next time on Let's Play Ratchet and Clank, we're going to Blackwater City. And we are going to enter the tournament. We're going to beat up some monsters. We're going to meet Captain Quark. We're going to do all that good jazz. So, if you like this, like, comment, and subscribe. Whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Have a good day, guys. And God bless you.